Hi everybody! We are here to work out because our goal is we're going to be models by fall. We're working out for 2.5 hours today. We've been cleansing since Friday. We haven't eaten since Friday. We're on the master cleanse. So no food. We're cleansing until Tuesday and then we start smoothie diet.
It was bad.
Have you eaten anything yet? No. You did? What did you eat?
A carrot.
A what? A carrot? That's okay, because I ate a strawberry and a half a banana. But that's all we've eaten in 3 days.
Yeah.
So we're doing really good.
Hard.
But we're gonna be skinny minis. Here we go. Well, we just worked out for like an hour and a half, and now I'm just swimming because the rain clouds are rolling in. So we're going for a swim, and then we're gonna have to go study for organic chemistry. I'm gonna pre-read the chapter, so tomorrow I kind of know what's going on, and then we're gonna get an A in this class. I'm gonna make this happen. Plus, I just found these orange sunglasses today, so I'm happy. New sunglasses, always a bonus. We at the gym, and it's 7 in the morning. We got here at 6. We both tired today. Oh yeah, now she starts working out. No, we both tired because it's been a long week. I almost slept right through all my alarms today, so maybe tomorrow morning will be better. We'll both go to bed earlier. It's a struggle, yeah. Hashtag college life. So I just got done with Orgo Lab, and I got a package today from Grandma Joyce. So when she was visiting, we bought cookies at a bakery in Tampron Springs. At this little like Greek bakery, and we forgot to eat them. We each bought one, and so she accidentally took mine home, and so she just mailed it to me in a pill bottle. It's a little squished, but it's still very good. So thank you so much, Grandma Joyce. Guys, I came to a realization today. I am becoming an elderly person. Not really, just kidding, but seriously, because someone told me I'm just like an old person because I like someone asked me if I wanted to go to some party or whatever. I was like, oh no, I'm just gonna eat pasta and it's my movie night and I have chemistry to study for, so I'm just gonna stay home, you know, obviously. And then I realized like I just sit and like I go to my classes, I go eat lunch at the same time, I go to my classes at the same time. I don't like change, I don't like deviation from my schedule. I sit by the pool, I go to the gym, that's it, you know. And now I'm just here making some pasta. I'm just starting dinner, but oh god, I almost fell over. But oh yeah, that I just basically had to share my thoughts on that. Yep. Yeah. We are on our way to IKEA. We have been apartment shopping all morning. It is hot as hell out, everyone. I shouldn't have worn long sleeve, but it was cold this morning. We are currently walking because we don't want to pay for an Uber because it was only half a mile. We broke as hell. But IKEA, I've never been, so it's going to be an experience.
It's an experience.
So y'all are going to get to see me shopping at IKEA. We just got lunch at IKEA. We starving after our walk.
I'm so hungry. I'm going to die.
Guys, we're at IKEA and I want everything. I want the bed, I want the closet, I want the bathrooms. I almost stole a bathrobe. I just am gonna move here. Exactly, I'm gonna move here and I'm gonna live happily ever after, and I'm dropping out of college. We've almost walked through the whole store and I found about 7 kitchens that I almost had to put on my credit card today. It's dangerous. I'm shopping with 3 credit cards and basically limitless, and I just want to buy everything in the store.
Don't do it.
But don't worry, you guys, I got a bathrobe. It's a spa one, so I needed it because I just deserve it. I've worked hard. So, but we're in the home section right now.
The whole store's a home section.
Well, we're in the carpeting section right now. So, it's very exciting. I really love IKEA, but they're a little bit more expensive than eBay.